A praia estava deserta e o sol surgiu lá no céu, e eu contente cantava pra você, Maria Isabel. A praia estava deserta e o sol surgiu lá no céu, e eu contente cantava pra você, Maria Isabel. Pega na esteira e o seu chapéu, vamos à praia que o sol já vem. Pega na esteira e o seu chapéu, vamos à praia que o sol já vem. Tchiribiribi, papapá, tchiribiribi, papapá, tchiribiribi, papapá, tchiribiribi, papapá.
So we are a 1930 year bakery, which is like 94 years from today. And it was started on 31st January, so the name goes like Confeitaria de Janeiro. So this is the third generation, and already the fourth is in the making. So I hope the customers still appreciate our work and they like our products and come back to us so that we keep going. We have a family recipe book which was passed down to us. I have done my hotel management, but I'm not doing anything modern. We are just sticking to the old tradition, and we basically have like the traditional goodies which were served over the years and still to go. Basically everything is handmade here. We don't use any sort of preservatives, and everything is baked in the wood fire oven. Basically we have Goan Portuguese kind of sweets here, and if you see, nothing fancy here. Everything is like, uneven baking. That's because of our wood fire oven. Swiss roll is the oldest and the most cheapest. That's like 25 rupees. I have like, grandparents of grandchildren coming with them and saying we ate it for 20 paisa or 25 paisa, which makes us like, which gets us going and think like, oh Lord, really we've gone this far, and this Swiss roll have reached this around 25 rupees to 25 paisa to 25 rupees. It's like a big margin. We try to give a personal touch. We are always here. It's not like, we have started the business and we are running away keeping our workers. We are here from morning to evening. I myself put in like 12 hours of hard work. That's why we don't source out or have any branches, because we want to give a personal touch in whichever way we can. Always I will come in the morning and I will pray near the cross. I don't start my day without a prayer. I think everything together gives you the result. Your hard work, God in the picture, and you are true to your ingredients. Of course, you have to have good quality ingredients in your products, so that keeps it going. In this time of our life, which like on a click you can, on Blinkit or anywhere, you just say and you get it at home. But people do make it a point to walk into this lane and find parking in this busy streets and come to us, and which makes me very happy in the hard work that I put in, and I feel it pays off.
Feito pra dançar, tiro lá, então vamos cantar. Tiro tudo muito giro. Tiro igual eu nunca vi. Tiro é feito pra dançar. Tiro lá, então vamos cantar. No domingo se vai à festa, e a alegria vai ser meu par. Não importa que dança é esta, o que eu quero é poder dançar. Mal eu chego na brincadeira, vem alguém e me dá a mão, e lá vou eu noite inteira cantando esta canção.
Yeah, we have locals as well. I have my neighbor also is my big customer. So he's been here before me. Like, you know, I've taken over the business for the last 27 years. But they are from kids, 50, 60 years, but they'll still enjoy their evening snack from the bakery. So, you know, it's that homemade kind of a thing where we also eat our own products. There are some people who make and they don't eat. We eat our own things. There are many challenges in every aspect of life. Without challenge, you don't reach anywhere. You feel that, okay, now I can lie down and, you know, but when there are challenges of raw material not being supplied, like because it's wood fire oven, our wood have to be of certain quality, otherwise it gets into ashes. We need charcoal so that we can continue the baking whole day. And of course workers is the most toughest. Like sometimes I don't remember when I got my last headache or backache, but every time workers will get their headaches and they want to stay, so you have to be ready to take anyone's spot. So my advice to the youngsters would be, like those who are starting their business or they want to have their own thing, is hard work, dedication, give in your best, compete with only yourself, give the best version of yourself, and rest everything will follow. When you give 200% to what you do, nothing can be going wrong for you.
Amanhã, bebê.